Hello, sweet soon. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lady B. So, how is my lovely friends doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. So, my people, today's recipe is another ogbonge recipe. So, guys, today I will be sharing with you how I make my bread cheese. So guys, before we go into this video, I will be using this opportunity to be thanking my 1000 subscriber. Mega shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the 1000 subscriber you guys gave to me. I really appreciate you guys a lot. May God keep on blessing you, each and every one of you that subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for the 1000 subscriber. I appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you that haven't subscribed to Lady B Kitchen, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to Lady B Kitchen. Follow the ministry because God will bless you when you do that. So let's see how I make my bread cheese. Let's go there. So in this video, one of the recipe we'll be needing is bread. So here I have 7 pieces of bread. So I will slice the 4 parts of the bread. After slicing it, so I will add it inside my blender. So I will give it a nice blend. The second recipe we will be needing is beef. So here I have beef. I've already seasoned with my seasoning cube. So you can season with anything of your choice. So I've already seasoned mine. So I will be frying this with low heat. I will cover this to fry about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will open it and stir it together. After stirring it, I will cover it again for another 5 minutes. So I will give this 10 minutes to fry with low heat. The next is for me to use my roller to mash the bread. I will be using this roller to match it until the bread double its size. So I will keep on this process. The next is for me to take in the bread. I will dip my hand inside water, so I will rub the two sides of the bread. I will add in the cheese and the beef, so I will cover like this. So I will use my hand to mold it. So after molding it, I will just put it inside the missing bread. I will use it to rub it and bring it out, and use water to rub it again. So I will just keep on this process. So guys, this is all about this video. If you like the way I prepare this sweet and yummy bread cheese, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share my video to your lovely friends. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.